Okay, so I need some power steering fluid for my car. So I am going to Canadian Tire, and I will also check out the canning stock situation while I'm here. Okay. Well, here I am once again at Canadian Tire, and I don't come here often, so I decided to check and see what the canning stock is like while I'm here. And yes, this is a superstore. It's a very large environment, and yes, here we are. Here is the canning aisle. They do have an aisle dedicated to canning, and we do seem to have some Bernardin jars available. And I'm just looking at the items that are on the shelves here. We have a variety of products, and these are apparently new jars from Italy. Okay, and I'm just checking other stock. And there is a variety of jars available, mostly the smaller ones like the half pints and quarts. Oh, they're so lovely, amber jars there. And we do have some interesting little ball minis. I've never seen those before, but yeah, tiny little jars, miniatures. That's a new thing for us in Canada. And some more amber jars. And here is the same ones that I picked up at the thrift store. And they are $7.49 a piece here, which is fairly expensive. I'm really thrilled that I found the ones I did at the thrift store. So quite a variety of things. This is written in French, and I don't read French, so of no use to me, and that's probably why it was on sale. Yeah. And we have no canning lids. So if Canadian Tire is out of canning lids, there's a canning lid shortage in Canada as well, because they are not the least expensive items available. So here we have pectin, lots of pectin. And there is the Ling and Rid combo for the wide mouth. They're available, but that's it. And other than that, you have to buy the whole jar set in order to get some lids. Now these are some odd Italian single jars, and at $6 a piece, a little too pricey for my taste. Okay. And some nice stainless steel canners, and a few other items. And those are the sealing rings for the old glass top jars. Now that is one item that you can get at a very reasonable cost at Canadian Tire. Okay, so now I've decided to go and see if I could find any canning supplies on skids. There is something on shelves, but do they have any skids? Ah, yes, I see some skids. Quite a few, actually. There's quite a large display here. Quite a variety of jars. Now here I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that we are looking at, yes, quart-sized jars, or liter, as we call them here. And those are the regular mouth liter at that price. And then there are the smaller pint and a half pint jars, and the Bernardin wide mouth. And the wide mouth are quite a bit pricier, but that's the way it goes. Yeah, $16.99 for the wide mouth Bernardin jars, for a dozen of them. Okay, so as you can see, they certainly have a lot of stock in jars. We're not okay, so now I'm still looking around. Oh my, we've got some little amber jars at $15.99 for a 4-pack of amber ball jars. These are the half pint, I believe, or sorry, the pint jars, and a whole skid of Golden Harvest, which is the discount brand. Okay, so now I'm going to go and look around for what I actually came to Canadian Tire for. So I've got to look for the automotive department, and that's not it. And can't go down that aisle either. Yep, this aisle's closed temporarily. They're just cleaning it up. Oh, and this aisle's open. It's towards the back of the shop. Lots of cleaning supplies here. All kinds of cleaning supplies, and oh my, look what I spot. More skids of canning jars. One skid there. I'm going around now. There's another one. One there, another one there. Some more of the, I believe, the Golden Harvest. Yeah, 2 skid loads of the Golden Harvest. And some more Bernardin. I believe these are the 9-packs, $7.50 or pint and a half at $13.99. And yeah, that would be it. But that's still quite a stock. Certainly no shortage. No shortage. Cleaning supplies. All sorts of cleaning supplies. Well, now let's keep looking for what I came for. Electrical department, plumbing department, nope, don't need that. Don't need tools, that's the tool department. Let's keep going. Aha, I believe I'm in automotive now. And looking around. There it is, found what I came for. So, got my item, and I'm out of here.